What if walls meant to divide could actually help cities thrive? In Turkey, they've done just that. When you hear about border walls, what comes to mind? Probably separation, conflict, or fear. But in Hatay, Turkey, a wall that once divided is now building a more sustainable future. This is the story of how 400 concrete blocks from the Turkey-Syria border were repurposed into a humanitarian center, tackling urban challenges like disaster resilience, resource reuse, and community integration. For over 13 years, Syrian refugees fleeing war have faced enormous challenges, not just losing their homes, but also struggling to integrate into new communities. On top of that, the devastating 2023 Turkey-Syria earthquake left millions more displaced. Refugees and locals, already at odds due to strained resources, were now pushed even further apart. The question loomed: how could these two groups share the same urban spaces while also preparing for future disasters? And could this be done sustainably? The answer came from an unlikely place: border walls. These concrete blocks, once symbols of division, were repurposed into something extraordinary. Enter Professor Chen Yu Chu and his team at Studio Cho, who saw these materials not as waste, but as a resource to be reused. The result? The Taiwan Reihanli Center for World Citizens. This isn't just any community center. It's a testament to sustainable design. By reusing 400 concrete blocks, the project avoided the environmental cost of producing new materials. Each block now serves a new purpose, making the structure not only earthquake-proof, but also bomb-proof, a critical feature in a region prone to both natural disasters and conflict. Inside, the center is a hub of sustainability. There are classrooms for education, spaces for skill-building workshops, and therapy rooms for mental health support. These facilities help refugees and locals rebuild their lives and foster a sense of community. More importantly, the project itself demonstrates how urban spaces can be transformed to meet social and environmental needs without overburdening the planet. What was once a tool for keeping people apart now brings them together in the most sustainable way possible. Children play in spaces built from the same walls they once feared. Adults learn skills that help them thrive in urban environments, whether they're refugees starting anew or locals rebuilding after the earthquake. It's not just a building, it's a blueprint for how cities can reuse, rebuild, and reconnect. The Taiwan Reihanli Center is proof that sustainability is about people. By repurposing materials and designing spaces that unite communities, this project shows how urban areas can be more resilient, inclusive, and sustainable.